We visit our freelancer one last time, and they explain that they work 8 hours a day. So if we're given an hourly rate, and we want to turn that into a rate per day, we would just take the rate per hour passed in and multiply it by 8. And task 2 is where we are given a certain budget to work with. So actually, we're going to divide it, but then we're going to want to floor it as well to round it down to the nearest integer. And we use our day rate function that we defined above. Day rate. Okay, so now this one. So we have one that's a number, that's the rate per hour, the number of days the project spans, and the discount, which is a percentage written as a decimal. And the return value needs to be rounded up. This is a project spanning over multiple months, and there's a discount for every full month, and the remaining days are billed at the day rate. And each month has 22 billable days. So the way I would just think of this is, okay, so we have the full months and the remaining days. I'll make it even simpler by just calling it months and days. The months get the discounted rate, and the days do not. They get the regular day rate, which is dependent on the rate per hour passed in. I want to create a variable for the discount rate. So 1 would be 100%. So if we take the rate passed in, that'll give us how much we need to multiply by this. Then we have the months. We're going to take the number of days passed in and divide that by 22. We need the full months, so we'll use math floor for that. And then we need to multiply that by 22, and then by the discount rate that we calculated right before that. Then for the remaining days, we'll do the same calculation here, except with the modulo operator to get the remainder. And that will be multiplied by our regular rate here. Our return value will just be adding those together, the months and the days, except we need to round it up. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, all right.